With millions of users, Facebook is a big target of cyber attacks and scams. The attackers are using different ways and tactics to get into your account. Are you safe and secure by just having a strong password? So we'll show you some of the techniques that the attackers are using and what you can do to prevent them from getting access to your account. And by losing your account, you are giving them all your private information. They can access your information, and even more than that, they can use your credentials to log into all of the applications and websites that you used when you logged in using Facebook. So let me walk you through the steps, some settings, and to check the security level of your Facebook. So come and watch. Welcome back, guys. So today we'll talk about security measures that you can do to protect your Facebook account. Plus, we'll talk about some settings that we can do on your account to make it more secure and protected. If you are new to this channel, consider to subscribe to receive more of these videos. This is a series of cybersecurity awareness. We are talking now in this video about Facebook security, and you know that having a strong password is not enough. So a password is one of the measures that you can use to protect your system, and having a strong one is required. In addition to that, we want to make a multi-layer protection, so we can have more than one layer to protect our systems or even Facebook account. So in case that the attacker can pass this layer, there are additional layers. So I will teach you today, and I will show you today some of these layers to do together. And by losing your account, which no one wants to be in this scenario, you are losing all your information, and you will be giving the attackers and cyber criminals the keys to enter by using your credentials, Facebook credentials, to enter to any other applications or third-party applications that you use the Facebook credentials to access. So we'll show you how to get rid of these third-party applications if you don't want them, and to make some additional layers to keep your account secure. Moreover, we can do some changes on the settings that will help you to log in again if you logged out. In case of you lost your credentials or forget your password, then you will be able to access your system again. We'll talk again about other settings and some tips and strategies to keep you secure and safe all the time. So we'll talk first about the settings that you can tweak and change on your Facebook account. And second thing, we'll talk about some tips and some techniques that will help you to stop the attackers from getting access to your system. So let's jump into the computer. I prefer you go to a desktop or your laptop and log into Facebook to show you all the settings and the configurations that we can do. So let's start. Okay guys, so let's start here by clicking on this menu. We will see the settings option here. Click on the settings to change some settings on your account, and this will make your account more secure. Here, click on security and login, and here are some of the options that you can do. And this is a good one here. You can see which devices you logged in already here. So you can see more, and these all of the devices that I am logging into. And if you are not recognizing one of them, or this is not you, you can click on these three dots, and here you can select not you or log out of this device. And you can log out of all the sessions if you want from here as well. underneath here in the login section, you can change your password and you can make a stronger password, and I am recommending to change your password frequently. Here, save your login information. So this is a good one. Here you can click on edit and you will see some of the devices that you logged in and you saved your login information. So if you want to remove any of those, so you can click on it and it will be removed from this device. And then you can log in. So if you forget to log out or you saved your information on a public computer, so you can go right away from here and remove it from saving your information. Another layer that you can do, and this is an important one, use two-factor authentication. For the first time, if any device, a new device that you are using, this will ask you to enter a passcode in addition to your password. So this is a good one to be enabled. So click on edit here and follow the instructions, get started here, and then you can receive the passcode either through an app or through a text message. And here you can go with this one, text message, click next, and you will receive a code here. So check your phone. I'm checking my phone and here is, so now I received the passcode. I can enter this one here. So this is a one-time passcode. Click next, just click finish here, enter your password, and now you can turn this, and here you can see this is on now. The two-factor authentication is on. So now this option is turned on, and from now on, if anyone tries to log into your account from a new device or new browser, you will receive a passcode. This passcode is required to access the new device in addition to your password. Now going back to the security options, so we did make sure that we are recognizing all the devices and we can log out of any devices that we are not sure about them, or save your information, login information, or remove the saved information from some devices. Here we enabled the two-factor authentication, which is a very important one. And we can go all the way down to this one, setting up extra security level. As we mentioned, we want to make it more secure, security in depth, and to keep more than one layer to protect our system. And here we can turn on some notifications and alerts, so you can enable some notifications here when you log in, or if there is unrecognized login, if someone logged in from different location, from different countries, so you will be notified. So you can turn these notifications on and save the changes. Here is another one. Another option, another security, extra security layer, that in case that you locked out, what you will do, you don't want to lose your account, and this will be done by the help of 3 to 5 trusted friends. So to enable this one, click on edit, and here you can choose the friends that you want, follow the instructions, and here you can write the name of the friends that you want, and you have to enter 3 to 5, and then this will be a backup solution for you, a helpful way, and then we'll receive passcode in case that you locked out. Your friend will send you passcode that will help you to log in again. So please enable this one. It's a very important one for you to be on the safe side. So these are some of the most important parts. And now one more thing, we can go back to the left side panel, and here we can go to apps and websites. We talked about this in the beginning of this video when we say that you are using your Facebook account to access some other applications. And here, as you can see, I am using my Facebook account to log into Zillow. So if you lose your Facebook account, then the hacker can not just able to access your Facebook, but can access this and all the applications, the third-party applications that you have in your account. So make sure to have a secure and a safe account, because this is a single sign-on feature. So here you can just click on that and remove any unneeded applications, and this will help you to keep you safe. Okay, so this is the most important things, and now let's jump into some tips that will help you to increase your security level. Are we done? Is that all? Are we secure 100% by doing these settings? No, I am encouraging you to listen to my tips that will help you to keep you secure and safe. And remember, we'll talk about that now. Okay, after finishing the settings that we did, this will improve your level of security. Now you have strong password, you have all the security features enabled, and then even you have a backup solution in case that you locked out. There are some trusted friends that will help you to get you back into your account. Okay, next thing, you need to know about some strategies and some techniques that the attackers are using to get you hacked. And one of these things is called as clickjacking, where the attacker is trying to convince and try to trick the user to click on some links or even the dislike button that will lead you to install some applications without your knowledge. These applications are some malicious applications that will help the attacker to get access to your accounts, your credentials, and even more to get all the benefits that they are asking. And one of the things that you can do is do not add friends that you don't know. This is one of the things. They might be just faked accounts, and this will trick you. The second thing, there is another strategy that the attackers are using, which is called the cross-site script. What is this? Cross-site script is a way that the attacker can take advantage of you. In this scenario, let's say you are receiving a message telling you, why are you tagged in this picture on this account? So this might tempting you to click on this link, and then in this case you will be a victim to this kind of attacks. And in this case you need to be aware of this kind of attacks, and you need to be conscious and do not click on any links, because behind these links there are another code that will be copied, and this will be copied into your browser, and then this will infect you, and maybe more than that, to infect all of your friends that are sharing your account. So these are some of the tips. Are we done? No, we are not done yet. This is not the ultimate solution. These are not all the security measures that you can do. There are a lot of steps. In the future, I will share with you other strategies and other tips to help you to be protected, not just on social media and Facebook, but in everywhere you are using the technology, on your computers, laptops, smart devices, and even your home, your smart home as well. So if you like this video, join us, subscribe, and share this with others. Beside that, let me know in the comments below if you want me to cover any of the security issues that you faced, and I'm happy to answer you. So thank you for watching, and see you next week. Goodbye.